The program is called Chartered Trust and Estate Planner. It's a designation which you can add to your name, right? So I become Deepak Jain, Chartered Trust and Estate Planner, or CTEP, from AFM USA. It is India's only and globally #1 designation in will, trust and estate planning. The body which is giving this designation is called American Academy of Financial Management, which is based in USA, Colorado Springs, right? About AFM USA, we are a US based body. We have members in more than 151 countries. We have offices in more than 22 countries across the globe, and we are now around 25-year-old organization, right? Chartered Trust and Estate Planner is basically a program. It's an internationally recognized program where we teach, we discuss how to actually do estate planning, trust planning, will planning for clients. So basically it's about wealth transfer planning, right? And you will learn how to manage and create trust, wills and succession plans for clients. You will learn the art and science of intergenerational wealth transfer in this program, right? The program curriculum, you have 6 units: introduction to estate planning, laws affecting estate planning, personal laws of succession, testamentary succession, trust planning in India, and international estate planning. So it's a comprehensive program. With this program, you will get the ability to create tools that estate planning uses, and advise clients on will, probate, will registration, will execution, financial durable power of attorney, letter of guardianship, special child trust, living wills, cross-border trusts, estate taxes, right, and other such things which an estate planner needs to know, right? Now, how do we deliver this program? So you get study material, which is a physical books, right? You get access to AFM online learning management system. You get PowerPoint presentations, practice quizzes inside this online learning management system, and you get learning videos. Plus, there would be 30 hours of online live classes by an expert estate planner, expertising in that particular module, right? So we have shown these 6 modules to you. So you will get different trainers who are experienced or who have practical exposure to these different modules, right? There's an examination, which is a 2-hour online examination conducted through Pearson VUE exam centers globally. Once you clear this exam, you are eligible to get the CTP designation. But anybody who completes the program would get a certification of participation, right? But I would not like to limit yourself to a certification of participation. You should try to get the designation of Chartered Trust and Estate Planner, which is a globally valid designation and the only designation globally in trust and estate planning. So the program which you have enrolled for is called Chartered Trust and Estate Planner, where we'll be discussing the various estate planning technicalities, and also we'll be doing some emotional aspects of estate planning in some sessions. But when you bring this topic with your client, the psychology of the client becomes the most important thing. Technicality comes after psychology, right? So what I would request all of you to do is, whatever you learn, try to implement it with clients, try to implement with family members, try to talk about it, and you will see the same proposition, 2 different individuals react 2 different ways, and you as an advisor need to tackle both of them, right? So that's where estate planning, I think, becomes an art form, not a science.